What up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change and add memory in your Asus G74SX. It's pretty easy. First we will flip it back right now, and you're gonna need a coin to open this part right here. There's a seal to open the coin. Once that was loose, you can just press underneath right here. I don't know if you're able to see that, and pop it up, and you will see there's already like 2 memory cards. I believe this is 4GB and 4GB, and I'm gonna add more 4 and 4 to make it 16GB for the memory card. Then I'm gonna show you that. This is my memory card right here. I'm not sure what size is this, but you could look it up online. I'm gonna put them in the link. First, push it down like that, and just easily press it down. That's it. And the other one, the same thing. Push it with the slot, and then push him down. And that's it. And to take him off, if you want more memory, you could just buy the biggest one. But to take him off, this is how I do them. Just press both in the side right here. Yep, that's it. Pretty easy. Put him back. Just put him in the slot and press him down. That's about it. And what you gotta do is just put all it back. Put him back, just slide right there. And make sure it clicks. Okay. And use your coin to tighten back the lock. Okay, there you go. Pretty easy. If you have any question, just make a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.